Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to completely mute the sound of your videos, audios, music, anything you are playing in your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can easily able to mute that sound all over the phone. Okay, so for this guys, you don't need to do any extra hard work, or you don't need to download any extra third-party application on your phone. Just follow my easy and simple method. So there is a inbuilt settings available in Samsung Galaxy phone like M series, A series, or S series like S24, S25, S22. So you can try this method on that phones. Okay, so for this guys, open the settings on your Samsung phone like this, scroll down and find out accessibility from here in the settings. Okay, in the accessibility you need to find out hearing enhancements option. Just tap and open it. Here you can get the option mute all sound. Just you need to enable this option, that's it. Okay, now when you play anything on your phone, so it will completely mute it. Okay, so this is the nice and very useful feature if you want to mute the complete sound of your phone. So that's all today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.